We are here today on a job site to basically remove caulk from around shower base and the seams. But when we got here, there's something I noticed, and I want to share a little trick with everyone. This shower door glass is covered in soap scum, for the most part filthy, but there is a trick to getting this nice and crystal clear, and I'm going to demonstrate this, and hopefully you can see it. I'm going to use our favorite cleaner, one of our favorite cleaners, this Gojo, which is an orange pumice hand cleaner. I'm going to spread this on the walls. I'm going to start here. I'm going to go all the way around, and when I get to that end, I'm then going to rub this in with terry cloth towel, and then I'm going to rinse it off with water and wring out that terry cloth towel over and over again, and we should have nice, clean shower door glass, or glass enclosure glass. So I'm going to go in here. And I'm actually going to start on the lower end. This is a seal, and I'm going to take off. It too is filthy, and what I will likely do for this customer is take this seal to a shower door glass place. A lot of places that do automotive glass repair install shower enclosures. They will likely have an extra one of these. You can probably find these on the internet. But I'm going to start at the bottom because it's the worst part. I'm going to work my way up and apply this. And just so you can see how I apply this from one side of the glass, I'm just going to dump this in my hand like so. And this is very friendly to the hands. Auto mechanics use this to get oil off. We're just going to keep applying this circular motion, and hopefully we won't run out of this very magic orange pumice hand cleaner.
There are a couple of key ingredients that make orange pumice hand cleaners so effective. The first is an abrasive called pumice. Abrasives generally rely upon a difference in hardness between the abrasive and the material being worked upon, the abrasive being the harder of the two substances. Abrasives also work to polish, making this an effective glass cleaner. The second ingredient is C1115 alkane cycloalkane. This is a solvent which works to dissolve or break down the ground in dirt. The other ingredients largely function to make this product easy on the hands, as its primary function is, in fact, a hand cleaner. This is why you can use orange pumice hand cleaners without protective gloves.
Now what we're going to do is get some rinse water in this bucket and wait for that to get hot. And as I'm waiting for that to get hot, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start back up with the rag. I'm going to start where I started and just work my way up. And keep doing the areas that I did first in that order so that I can, I'm letting it sit as long as I can in those areas. So we're going to start here, work our way, and keep doing it in the exact same pattern when you put it down. All of it should have equal time to soak, and then we're going to keep going back over it and over again until we get it dry. And hopefully we'll have some clean shower door glass. I don't need too much water. Because what I'm doing here is going in, get in nice and close. You'll be able to see right away that this mold at the bottom will come in and off very easily. I'm just going to use another part of the cloth and keep rotating the cloth. Into your Karate Kid joke here. After Ralph Macchio's illustrious acting career, he started cleaning shower door glass and taught me this trick. When we fold it like this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, flip, 3, 4. Gonna open it up. Get on the inside. 5, 6. And since we reached the end there, I'm just gonna rinse it off again. And do this last window. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see how dirty this water is getting just from wiping it down. And after that, we're going to take a clean dry rag. This might not look like the cleanest rag, but it's been with me for many, many years, so it's been washed. It's got a lot of love. It's had a lot of love. And I'm going to do this the same way, where I do one wipe for each fold. So it's nice and dry. And again, I am not entirely certain that the camera will pick up how dramatic a difference this is. And as it dries, it will be even more dramatic, but we can now see through this very easily, and it is very clear. So much so that we can see the moldy caulk that we need to take out. And that's how you clean. That is how you clean shower door glass.
If you found this video helpful, let us know by clicking like and consider subscribing to our channel. Feel free to message us in the comments section with any constructive questions or suggestions.